name's Helen Chapman. I'm a teacher and teacher trainer currently based in Tunisia. I spend most of my time teaching primary and secondary students with the British Council. The title of my talk for the TESOL France colloquium for 2020 is Engaging Teenagers, Voice and Purpose. So how can we engage teenagers? Going beyond just using videos and games, how can we get real engagement? So my talk is going to look at 4 practical ways that you can do this, that you can engage teenagers by valuing their voice and also by giving them a real genuine task to do in English. So I'd love to see you there at my talk, Engaging Teenagers, Voice and Purpose.